I'd like to propose a toast.
Phone rings, door chimes, in comes company. No strings, good times, just chumps company.
I've always wanted to do it. I love the music so much and wanted very much to update it to now.
I wanted to work with Marianne, and she has a vision of it. I admire Marianne so much.
The Olivier goes to
Company.
Patti LuPone for Company.
I think actors are only as good as their directors. And I have been extremely fortunate to work with Marianne Elliott.
So hard to be married.
I've done it 3 or 4 times.
We wanted it to feel contemporary and fun.
Because she's a woman, everybody has an opinion about what she should do.
Then you leave a person dangling sadly outside your door, which it only makes a person gladly want you even more.
Here's to the girls who stay smart. Aren't they a guess?
Let's hear it for the ladies who lunch. Everybody rise. Isn't it warm?
It's a really well-loved piece, and even though it's a universal story, it's very specifically written for Manhattan.